Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports, and today we have our 2019 Harley Davidson Sportster 883 iron. This bike only has 355 miles. It's in perfect showroom condition. Beautiful metallic gray paint scheme. It's literally brand new. Fuel injection, twin cylinder, lightweight Harley Davidson. Come on by, make your Harley dreams come true for just $99.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Come on by and check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sports.